Dear students, great day. Let we start our session with Lesson 2 Hydrosphere Part 2. In Part 1 session, we had discussed about hydrosphere, importance of hydrosphere, sources and types of water bodies. Let we continue our session with remaining topics. Rivers. Rivers are large streams that flows over the land. Rivers are freshwater bodies which generally begin at mountainous areas. They usually drains in oceans or seas. Example, Kaveri. Lakes. A lake is a water body surrounded by land on all sides. Lakes can have salt or fresh water. For example, Dal Lake. Gulf. A gulf is a large area of an ocean or a sea that is surrounded by land. For example, Gulf of Kutch. Bay. A bay is a body of water which is partly enclosed by land. It has a wide mouthed opening of land and is joined to the sea or other large water bodies. For example, Bay of Bengal. Lagoon. A stretch of salt water separated from the sea by a low sand bank. For example, Lake Chilika in Odisha. Strait. A strait is a narrow stretch of water which joins two larger water bodies. For example, Palk Strait joining the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. Waterfall. Waterfall forms when a river flows from a great height. For example, Kutralam waterfall. Water. We should be very careful about how we use water. We have the choice to conserve water resources or pollute them further. Water pollution is a common phenomenon around us. Preventing water scarcity. The whole of Tamil Nadu faced a huge water crisis. It is important to come up with steps to use water thoughtfully. We can easily do these things. First one, take water in a bucket for bathing instead of using shower. After washing vessels, check if the taps are closed. Water cycle. Water continuously moves on below and above the surface of the earth. This is because of water cycle that occurs continuously. Water changes its states from solid, liquid, gas in this cycle. There are 4 stages involved in a complete water cycle. Stage 1, evaporation. Evaporation refers to the process in which the liquid forms of water changes into gaseous form. The heat of the sun falls on the water bodies like oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, etc. The water slowly evaporates as vapors into the air. Condensation, stage 2. It refers to the process in which the gaseous form of water changes into liquid form. As the vapor rise high, the cooler temperatures make them cool down and turn back into liquid. This is called condensation. Wind moves the liquid around, leading to the formation of clouds. Precipitation, stage 3. Precipitation refers to all forms of water that fall from clouds and reaches the earth's surface. Wind movement causes the clouds particles to collide. They become rain bearing clouds and fall back onto the earth's surface by the process of precipitation. The precipitation may occur in the form of rain, hail, snow, or dew depending upon the temperature condition. Stage 4, Runoff and infiltration. The water either runs off into ocean, river, and ground surface or is absorbed into the soil. It is called infiltration. Let me know about some unknown fact. Some of the longest flowing rivers in India are Ganges, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri. Sambar Salt Lake in Rajasthan is one of the most important inland saltwater lake in India. In this session, we learned about types of water bodies, water cycle. This is the activity for you. Complete the activity and share it through Classroom app. Thank you.